Welcome back to Charging Coils Part 2. Pretty much now we're just going to go ahead and put the headlight back on. Or, I mean, we already have it attached and all. It's really hard to disconnect it. We're going to put the torque converter on. I already took the chain off. We're going to put it all back together. And, yeah, today's a pretty sunny day, so I didn't jinx myself on that one. Let's get this started. Alright, so I got this torque converter. Now we can just put it aside right here, so we can have it right there. Alright, here we go again. Gotta go back to the workshop, because I'm forgetting everything, because I'm a dumbass. What the hell is that? Now we gotta put this back onto the workbench, so let's get started doing that. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. For those who are on my Dead End Production channel, I might be seeing the Central New Jersey Heritage Unit, 1071. I gotta stop. Let's get started with the torque. Alright, we got the bolts on for the torque converter. Now let's go ahead and put it back together. Yeah, there's a little bit of imperfection on this crankshaft. There's not even a lot, and it's struggling for a torque converter pulley. Get on that. Yeah, it's quite a spot. Let's see if I can be able to straighten it out, maybe. If I had an angle grinder, that'd be a lot easier to probably straighten out. Damn it. Hi guys, so we're continuing this for the second time now. You're probably wondering, did it really take you that long to finish this? The reason why it's taking me 3 days instead of 2 is because I went rail finding in Litchfield yesterday for some Norfolk Southern trains, BNSF, and that's about it. Because we was going to see 1071, the CNJ Heritage Unit, but that's all train stuff. But anyways, we're going to be finishing up now. All we got is throttle cable, a few zip ties, and that's about it. So yeah. Exhaust, because it's a little bit rusty. Wow. I got a lot of the rust off. Maybe a little bit under the bottom. People are probably saying that I'm going overkill with the gloves. I don't really. I mean, the mask, kind of, because of the fumes, because WD-40, the fumes are kind of heavy. And I got it mixed up, god damn it. The gloves is because when I get WD-40 on my hands, I don't want to go eat something or drink something after using it. I obviously wash my hands, but it stays on, like, your hands for a pretty long time unless you wash them thoroughly. So I just like to use gloves. The mask mostly is a requirement, though, for using any kind of things with fumes, like paint, gloss coating, anything like that. Heck, people use these kind of masks when they use Lysol after taking a crap. Now, I personally think that's overkill because that's not heavy on the fumes, but things like WD-40, gloss coat, all that stuff, those do really need to require a mask. Here's all that grime, all that rust that was on this. You can't really see it because the sun is I'm trying to get messed up. You can see the sun's going through it. But if you look right here, you can see where all that grime's at. So yeah, I'll see you back in the workshop. Whew, I can breathe now. Bum bum ba-da-dum bum ba-da-dum bum 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 ba-da-dum bum. And we're gonna do the throttle cable. Alright, I didn't really record myself doing the throttle cable, but we were able to fish it through here, curve around here, miss the exhaust so that that rubber doesn't burn. So we put 2 zip ties here, and we were able to get through here, through here. Not a lot of people use this method through here, but I usually go through there and there, and I really don't want to take this fuel tank off, but I have to. But yeah, this is me twisting the throttle. We have full throttle there. You can see the idle screen right there, the idle screw. So I just moved this back so we can get our little air filter. Why this is, I tried cleaning this a long time ago, but these are just pretty much fumes from the gas. Let's get back on. There we go. I was actually taking the fuel tank off, and now I'm just putting it back on because for some reason they put a zip tie or something on that part of the spring that's attached to the governor arm. I just snipped it off. I really don't think it'll be much of a problem, but all we need to do is put it back on, use a little bit more zip ties, and we should be good to go. Only enough this is burnt or something, so
Showing?
I don't know. I did this with WD40. I was gonna clean it off, but I just decided that was a stupid idea, so. It's done. Before I leave you guys by yourself, and no, I'm not gonna start it. I'm just too tired, you know. I might do some of it later today, though, even though it's like 4 o'clock right now. I'll go ahead and explain how I got those bolts on, for the headlights. So you can see I used 2 10mm bolts, and how I did it was that first I put a locking washer on it. If you look in there, you will see 2 washers. There's one right there, just in case. Just some 2 washers, another locking washer, and a bolt. Now, I think on the original Coleman's, or the original set, they come with rubber washers. Now there is a locking washer right there. It is smaller than the bolt, and it is the same thing on that other bolt. And as you can see, it ain't going nowhere. So yeah, I can't wait to, you know, doing things with this after, you know, working on it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we are going to be staying tuned, or we hope you guys stay tuned for more videos. Once I get a job, I really want to do something like buying a Predator 212 and then stripping it down completely and putting like stage 4 kit on it. That would be cool to see, you know, 20-pound valve springs, 265 hot cam, billet rud, billet flywheel, all that kind of stuff on just a different engine. Get slapping on a go-kart, all that kind of stuff. That's just something I want to do in the near future. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and make more series and videos soon. So see you guys later.